In this example, in this video, we're going to learn how to install XAMPP. XAMPP is the stacked program that will have all the tools included in one stacked program that will allow you to run a Apache web server, MySQL server for a database, the PHP programming language, along with some other tools in there, PHP MyAdmin, and so forth. But it runs on your computer as a local host instead of having to go out and get pay for a hosted website. And it's a great environment. It's a great a development environment, because you don't have to worry about uploading and everything going live at that time. Everything is like in test mode on your own computer on localhost. So anyway, the site where you want to go to is ApacheFriends.org, and you can usually find that by going into a search and just a Google search, Apache Friends, but the whole entire link, ApacheFriends.org, XAMPP. For Windows in this case. You can also do it for Linux, and you can also have a version for Macs. And as you can see, if you read down through the information, you can find all of that here. But the XAMPP, as I said before, is a stacked program. The X stands for multi-platform, meaning you can use it for Windows, you can use it for Linux, and you can use it for Mac. The A is the Apache server. M is MySQL. P is PHP, the programming language that we'll use, or P in this instance, and we can use it also for Perl. And as I said, this one is for Windows, this installation that I'm doing now. And if we scroll down and take a look, it'll tell you the different versions that you have. You can go into each one of these down here, such as XAMPP. You can read about it. X add-ons, the portable light version. Don't confuse that with installing it to a USB device. It's just a lighter version. It might be missing some of the other parts that we probably won't use, but I don't know if they would run into any problems. So the regular installation you can use on a USB device if you choose to do so. So you can go down through. But now the downloads, get down through into here. I always use the installer. The installer always seems to work great. As you can see, this one, XAMPP PHP 5.4. We want the latest version, and this one says down here, XAMPP PHP 5.5. So we'll grab the installer right here, and it pops up a window here. Eventually. And it says we're going to open XAMPP Wins 32.1.8.3, and this is the installer. It's just an exe that we can run. We're going to save the file, and then that will begin downloading. Okay, now that it has finished downloading, I can just run the installer from here, or wherever your download directory is. You can go and find that.